How to log in to Google Suite. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log in to your Google Suite. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your web browser and go to the accounts.google.com and you will see an option to choose an account or use a different one. So if you want to log in with a different account, use another account to proceed, and this will take you to the sign in page. So enter your email or phone number in the text field, and once you're done with that, simply click on next. Now on the next page you will have to enter your password. So enter your password exactly as you created it during sign up. And if you want to double check your password before proceeding, click on the eye icon beside it, and once you're done with that, simply click on next. And once you are logged in, look at the top right corner for the Google app icon. Click on it to see all the Google Suite application linked to your account. And from the list, choose any app you want to work with, and you are all set. And that's it. That's how you can log in to Google Suite easily. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.